Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Having a CLAUDE.md file is step 1. Writing a good one is step 2, or I would say step 0. According to Boris Cherny, the creator of Cloud at Antraffic, you should invest in your Cloud.md updated after every mistake. A good Cloud.md does more than just less comments. It tells Cloud how your team works, what to avoid, and where the important pieces live. So in this guide, I will show you two, or I will show you the best practices for writing a Cloud.md that actually improves Cloud's output. Anyway, so as you see, we're gonna go and start with the slash nh create, uh, just like this one here. It creates a solid foundation, but the draft is just the beginning. Review it carefully. Remove anything that's not accurate. Add details specific to your project. Remove anything that's basically, I would say, just added but not actually followed. Keep it lean and for under 2000 lines. Boy's Journey recommends updates every like after every mistake. When Claude gets something wrong, add line or add a line to Claude.md to prevent it from happening again. Be specific about commands. For example, don't say just run the test. Say run npm test, run all of the test, or run npm run test, watch for what mode. You can also state hard commands clearly. Claude Claude needs to know what you should never do according to the official documentation. As constraints are worth including. And that's basically the whole idea here. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.